Hello there, fitness warriors. Welcome back to the Kids Zone channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of protein supplementation with our review of Muscle Dominator Imperative Whey Protein. If you're serious about gaining muscle and maximizing your workout results, you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's get right into it. First things first, let's talk about taste. Because let's be honest, if it doesn't taste good, it's going to be tough to stick with it. But fear not. Muscle Dominator has nailed it in the taste department. Their Imperative Whey protein comes in a variety of flavors, and I've got to say, each one I've tried has been absolutely delicious. From classic chocolate to indulgent cookies and cream, there's something for everyone here. Now, let's talk mixability. Nobody wants a protein shake that clumps up or leaves a gritty texture. Luckily, Muscle Dominator's Imperative Whey protein mix is like a dream. Just a few shakes in your trusty shaker bottle, and you've got a smooth, creamy shake ready to fuel your gains. Next up, let's talk about the real reason we're all here, results. I've been using Muscle Dominator Imperative Whey protein for the past few weeks, and I've got to say, I'm seriously impressed. Not only have I noticed faster recovery times after intense workouts, but I've also seen some serious gains in muscle mass and strength. Plus, the added BCAAs and glutamine in this formula have definitely helped keep my muscles fueled and ready for action. And finally, let's touch on value. With so many protein supplements on the market, it's important to find one that not only works but won't break the bank. Muscle Dominator Imperative Whey protein is competitively priced, making it a solid investment for anyone serious about their fitness goals. So, if you're ready to take your gains to the next level, I highly recommend giving Muscle Dominator Imperative Whey protein a try. Trust me, your muscles will thank you later. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay strong and keep grinding. Peace out. Subscribe button, press notification all thanks.